Good morning, Las Vegas Valley. This is 8 News Now This Morning with Dave McCann, Dana Roselli, neighborhood weather with Sherry Swens, and Beat the Traffic with Brian Loftus and Ken Smith. Your morning begins now.
6:30, Station Casinos and Nevada's largest union battle it out. The fight for workers' rights, and why Station says it's all just a stunt.
Major changes coming for teachers, the new way they'll be evaluated and how it'll affect kids in the classroom.
And it's a race against the clock up in Carson City. The plans they have to pay for a new arena in Las Vegas. We're still talking about that. Seems like it's a never-ending conversation.
We're going to keep talking about it, I guess, until they build one.
Right. I guess we will, huh? Well, good morning. It's 6:30. I'm Dana Roselli.
I'm Dave McCann. New national unemployment numbers just released this morning. It shows a sluggish labor market. Employers
only hired 54,000 new workers last month, the fewest in 8 months. The unemployment rate rose to 9.1%. The Labor Department report indicates that the U.S. economy is slowing, hampered by high gas prices and natural disasters in Japan that have hurt U.S. manufacturers.
We'll get a check on Wall Street's reaction in just a bit. Station Casinos and the Culinary Union are locked in a battle for public opinion. 200 union workers were arrested in something management's calling a stunt. A local casino giant wants to persuade its workers to stay out of the union, while the Culinary remains determined to get them to join. Culinary protesters shut down 2 lanes of traffic on Sahara in front of Palace Station. Mario Medina was in the thick of it.
I was one of their best workers, but everything changed when I started wearing my union button. Shortly after I started wearing it, I got fired.
The protesters were boarded on buses driven around the corner and issued citations before being dismissed by Metro. Stations issued a statement saying it, quote, has consistently stated that it is not anti-union, rather it is pro-employee, and the decision to join a union must be left up to employees, not the employer. It also denies that it discriminates against Latinos and calls the claim not only insulting, but is their most disgusting lie yet.
6:31 now. Last weekend was Memorial Day weekend. A little chilly.
Yeah.
This weekend it's getting a little warmer, but not really where it should be.
Sherry's on pool patrol with Brian Loftus.
You know, it's taking longer and longer to get into what spring is supposed to feel like as far as normal temperatures, for sure.
Well, we're looking at this live Chopper 8 shot of the snow on the mountain, and I'm wondering